Hi, good morning. This is Miss Mika, and I'm going to teach you how to create a virtual welcome slide. I'm going to go to my correct account. I'm going to click on my waffle. I'm going to click on slides. I'm going to click the plus button. I'm going to title it I'm going to click on the top left so it titles. I'm going to click into my folder. I'm going to put it where I want it to go in my first week. I'm going to create a theme. I'm going to center this. I'm going to click the plus button for a new slide. I'm going to go to Insert. I'm going to go to Image. I'm actually going to put an image of myself. I'm going to go to Camera. Insert. Move that right over here. I'm going to add in my contact info. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. And of course, you guys can design it exactly how you want. I'm going to insert a text box. And I guess they really wouldn't be office hours. It'd kind of be like tutoring. So I'm going to maybe put that. So I've created a new slide. I've titled it. I've put it where I want it to go. So this is where I've titled it, and this is where I've put it where I wanted to go. I've chosen a theme. I've added in a photo. I've added in my contact info, my office hours. I want to add in a welcome letter, so I'm going to create a new tab. I don't like this one, so I'm going to actually highlight and delete it. I'm going to click on this drop-down menu so I can choose something else. There we go. I'm going to find the welcome letter that I've created for this class. So I'm going to click on a plus sign. I'm going to go into my correct account. I'm going to click on my waffle. I'm going to click on Docs. And I can get this out of my Drive, or I can get this out of Docs. I'm going to two-finger click. Oh, it didn't let it work. Go ahead and click on it. I'm going to click the share button. I'm going to make sure that this is set to anyone with this link can view only. I'm going to click copy and then done. I'm going to go back into my slides. I'm going to highlight this. I'm going to go to Insert, I'm going to go to Link, and I'm going to paste that right there. I want my students and my parents to know how to access this welcome letter quickly and easily. I also want my kiddos to fill out a getting to know you form. So I'm going to create a new one. And I'm going to clarify that. I'm going to get rid of this one. So I get rid of it by highlighting it, making sure it's a crossbar, and then I click delete. And that gives me the opportunity to move this one down. And of course, you can take the time to format exactly how you want it. I'm going to highlight this. I'm going to open a new tab. I'm going to make sure I am in the correct account. I'm going to click on my waffles. I'm going to click on Forms. I'm going to find the form that I want to use. I'm going to click on the Send button. I'm going to click on the link, shorten, and then I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go to Insert, I'm going to go to Link, and I'm going to paste that right in. And I'm going to clue in my students. I'm going to say, students, fill out with your parent or guardian. And I'm going to make this a little bit bigger because sometimes we have people that can't see too well, but remember it is going to be right in front of them, so that does make it a little bit nicer. So we've added in our contact info, we've added in that welcome letter, we've added in the getting to know you form. The only other two things I'd like you to add in, of course, you're going to add in like your favorite, whatever, favorites or anything that you want to share with them, maybe what you got a degree in, maybe where you went to school at, maybe where you are from, any personal information that you do want to share with your kiddos and your parents. Remember, in this virtual world, they can't see you. So anything you tell them is going to be helpful. Just kind of put them at ease, letting them know that you're a real person, right? So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a new tab. I'm just going to teach you how to add in a video. Maybe if I want to do Zoom expectations on here. I'm going to find a link that somebody else shared with me. I have not checked this link out, so please do not expect an amazing thing from me because I have not checked it out. I am going to go to Insert. I'm going to go to Video. I do already have the URL that I want, so I am going to paste that in there. And I'm going to select this. Now when I put this in, really cool, it pops up your video playback. You can choose what time it starts at, what time it ends at. You can also choose for it to autoplay. Now if I was in the classroom and I had all my kiddos watching it, I probably would not have this option on. Knowing that kiddos are going to be at home and I do want them to see it, I will definitely turn that on for them. And then we can just make that nice and pretty. I like to clean this up, although they won't be able to see that anyways. There we go. So I've added in my favorites. I've added in my Zoom expectations. I've taught you how to add in a video now. And the next thing I'm going to show you how to do is how to add in audio. So maybe in my favorite section, I can go to Insert, I can go to Audio. Now you need to record your audio. I used to create stuff on Incredibox and have my kiddos create stuff on Incredibox, so I'm just going to choose one of these options and click Select. I am going to get an audio playback that's going to automatically pop up. And do I want it to start upon the click or automatically. And then this will change the volume of it. Or if I want it to continue playing, then I would turn on that loop audio. I would probably insert a button, insert a shape, telling the kiddos to click here. And this could be something where I actually, instead of telling them what my favorites are, I could possibly put that like into my favorites where I actually talk to them and I say what my favorites are. You guys, the sky is the limit. Click here. So now you've learned how to put in audio. So we've created a virtual Meet the Teacher. We've added in our contact info with our name, our email, our Google Voice number, and our office hours or our tutoring. We have linked our welcome letter. We have linked a getting to know you form. We've told them about our favorites, and we've learned how to add in audio. We've learned how to add in a video. So I am going to just put my ending slide, but I'm going to choose a different one. I'm probably going to make that a little bit smaller. And I could probably add in a GIF or an image, so let me just show you how to do that. I'm going to center it. I'm going to go to Insert. I'm going to go to Image. I am going to search the web, and maybe I'll just type over here by GIF. That one looks good to me. I'm going to click the Insert button. And there we go. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.